Hey guys, Renator41 here, and today I'm back with
came from the bell tower.
Batman Arkham City episode 5, I believe. Okay. Is there... Okay, what can I do with those chains? Is there anything... Okay. Map objectives. Wayne Tech. Selector upgrade. Okay. Where? What? Gadgets. Smoke pellet. That's nice. Bat claw, disarm. Oh, not enough XP. Oh, I'm so close. Okay. Anyway.
The gunshot came from the bell.
Yes, I know.
I need to find a way up there.
Will you shush? It's something to do with this. Oh, there's something orange.
The gunshot came from the bell tower.
If
you
you
need to find a way up there.
What is that?
I remember when Harley Quinn took control of the pacification chamber. Back at
the gunshot came from the bell tower. I need to find a way up there.
You don't get there for this your sentence.
I can't believe Sharp let this place get so out of control. How did Strange get so much power? I never heard of him before he took over.
Oh. Well, I didn't know I could go through here. Okay, I've just been wasting time then. Hey, the gunshot came from the bell tower. I need to make my way up there. Thanks, freaking bath salt. Oh, come on, I need to... There we go. I'm doing, like, terribly at this game. I just saw... Now what? Oh, wow. Is that a bullet hole in his chest? Oh. I like how he climbs ladders. He, like, runs up it. Well, that's not safe. I need to disarm them. What? What do I... What? Oh, whoa. I didn't even see that.
There's the gun. It looks like it's being controlled remotely by Joker.
Oh.
Well, look who it is. I haven't seen you for... How long has it been? Let's see. There was an asylum, some monsters, and... Oh, that's right. You left me to die. Now, you probably don't remember it that way, but who cares? You just need to worry about the bombs. Hurry up now. Clock's ticking.
Oh, God.
I've got a lock on the signal used to remotely control the sniper rifle. Joker's behind this.
Was there ever any doubt?
The radio signal should lead me right to him.
Good luck, sir.
But this weather. Where are they? They should have been back here hours ago.
Okay.
I don't know. They know the rules. I keep telling you guys, get back here before it gets dark. Maybe Two-Face's crew got him. Damn it! Why the hell didn't they listen? This is the only place we're safe. We stay in... It's Batman!
You don't get to finish talking. I know where I'm supposed to go, okay? Gah. Oh. Bam. Ow.
Campaign is clear. All freaks are down.
Going this way. Okay. My watch is beeping at me. Okay.
I don't think I've ever been this close. Sure about this? No. What choice?
Which way? That way. Oh, okay. There's dudes right there. I'm just running away from them. They're not even. They're probably chasing me. That's probably what the music is. I'm not even paying attention.
Fool yet? Not even close. It's the bat.
No, no, it's not. It's not the bat.
Welcome, inmates. You are now taking your first tentative steps toward a better world. A world of fun, mischief, and spectacle. A world where the only person you need to answer to is yours truly.
What the hell are you doing? I told you not to come back empty-handed. The bat's here.
I don't even care. Okay. Wait, whoa. That way.
So, what's the policy? Wait a second. Doesn't joke.
Don't pay.
Listen up, dumbasses, and listen carefully. 'Cause you know, Mr. J he's not himself. And the last thing he needs is any so-called superhero coming in here and stopping his recuperation. That's where you come in, moron. You need to protect the steel mill. Protect
Gotham
it with
City
your
Bank.
life. Because if you fail, I'll make sure your miserable lives don't mean zip. You get it? Good.
It's like.
How the hell are we supposed to get in there? There's gotta be a way. How would Batman do it? Do I look like Batman?
Alfred, I need to find a route into the Sionis steel mill.
Have you tried the front door, sir?
Why didn't I think of that?
It was obviously too easy. Let's see. If all the other access routes are locked down, the only way in would be... No, it's suicide.
The main chimney. Okay then.
Oh my.
Yeah.
Sweet. Now, I got level up, so I got a whole bunch of crap. Bruce Wayne, Alfred. I love Alfred. Penguin. What are these character bios? Two-Face, Vicky Vale, Catwoman, Jack Ryder, Black Mask. Wait, what? Oh, we haven't seen his face, have we? Oh yeah, we have. I don't know why it's like that then. Oh, new stuff, new things. Ballistic armor, combat armor. I don't know what any of these do, so I'm just gonna go combat. Yeah. Okay. Gadgets. Oh, now I'm out of XP.
We
Okay.
can build the boat. And the gas.
Oh, I completely lost where I was trying to go. Okay, it's like directly behind me.
Gas masks? So, let's get this straight. You geniuses think that the best way in...
Here goes. Totally safe. Nothing's immediately on the sides. Go! Ow. That was dumb. I don't know what I was trying to do there. can't climb over that, you dingus. Okay.
The steam from the furnace will boil me alive. I need to cool down the coal somehow.
Wait, what? Where? Whoa. Yeah. Alright. Go back. What? No, drop down that way. That way, stupid. Okay guys, so that is it for this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you guys later.